Every debt by every bank is collected illegally. This is Jack McCagg. You can check us out on Liberty Aid, the debt savior system. We guarantee to remove any debt. Okay, why is every debt collected illegally? For many reasons, but let's go through one of them. Elements of a contract. Elements of a contract. There are lots of the 5 elements, 4 elements of a contract, 7 elements. Well, they all include this one called mutuality. There's to be a, quote, meeting of the minds. That's what they all say. So, a meeting of the minds. Okay, and does it have to be written? A contract? Well, according to the UCC statutes of frauds, right? Contracts, let's see, here we go, right here. Sorry about that. Agreements that create a security interest in goods and the goods aren't in the possession of the creditor. Say a home with a mortgage or a car with a loan on it, or if you bought goods and a credit card. Pretty much every case that involves debt. So is there, when you go to get a quote loan and sign a contract, do they ever sign? No. There's no meeting in the minds. There's never a contract. So every debt by every bank, every credit union is collected illegally.